Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Farhan and I'm working as assistant professor and graduate coordinator in Department of Environmental Sciences, ComSets University, Ahmedabad. And today I'm here to introduce you or aware you about the importance of environmental sciences. For example, myself, I have done my MS in Environmental Sciences from University of Dijon, France. Later on, I did my PhD and postdoctorate from University of Dijon, France, and Microbial Ecology Center, Lyon, France. Basically, my field of expertise relate to microbial ecology and its implications in soil, air, water. And you know, all these parameters, all these components are very integral, very important globally, as well as in the region where we are residing right now. So with this aim, my research area and research interest, it includes, but not limited to, the importance of nitrogen cycling in the soil, air, and in the water. Because this nitrogen cycling, you know, nitrogen is one of the very important biogeochemical cycle, and its importance is not only due to the plant production and food production, food security, but also due to the nitrogen losses in the environment. You know, for example, nitrous oxide emissions, which are occurring due to the during the nitrogen cycling processes, such as nitrification and denitrifications, they have implications for the overall environment. They contribute at great scale to the global warming, and this global warming has again implications to the overall environment. And these different scenarios have already been discussed in a very important summit in the 2018 that was held in the Paris, related to the increase in the temperature, and concerns of the global warming were discussed there, such as those related to the nitrogen cycling. So with this aim, we here at Department of Environmental Sciences are conducting research in different areas that are related to soil, water, and air, with my interest to the nitrogen cycling. Moreover, I am here to introduce you about the overall importance of environmental sciences in current era. You know, since the previous decade, this importance has been increased at great scale. For example, different components of the environment, as well as the natural resources occurring or available within these different components, they are very crucial to the reference of food security. What I should say is that, look, the definition of the environmental sciences has been totally changed in the recent times. For example, it is not just limited to the pollution or detoxification. I understand this is very important, but at the same time, when we talk about environmental sciences, we need to protect soil, we need to protect, preserve, conserve air, water. We need to detoxify the different contaminants within these different components. We need to study the stratosphere. But very important thing is that natural resource protection overall, because you know, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are an environmentalist, you are an economist, you are a businessman, you are a student, whoever you are, we need food to live here. We need food, and this is the basic requirement. And this basic requirement can be fulfilled through protection of natural resources. You talk about soil, you talk about plants, you talk about non-renewable natural resources. All these are for the benefits of the humanity. We need food, we need to improve our living, and all these different things that are very important for every profession, every human being. These can be fulfilled through the protection of environment, through the protection of natural resources. So I think with this I should come to the point that in the past 2 decades, and particularly in the previous decade, since the previous decade, this has alarmingly challenged, and awareness has come to this point that we need to educate the community about the environment. We need to educate the community about the environment, not just to detoxify the pollutant, but also to reach to the aim of natural resource protection. And this is possible through increasing our knowledge related to the environmental education, environmental ethics, environmental values. And we here at Department of Environmental Sciences are offering different degrees, in different domains. We are offering here here the BS in environmental sciences, MS in environmental sciences, as well as PhD in environmental sciences. We have different research groups. Our research group are working in the different perspectives related to water with special reference to hydrology perspectives. We are working in soil domain, we are working in wastewater treatment, in microbiology aspects, in air pollution. So there are a range of domains. What you need to do is that to cover all these different aspects that I've discussed right now, you actually need to visit our website, our department at the main website of ComSets, University Islamabad, Abbottabad campus. You will find the details about these different programs. You can visit us at our department. We will aware you, we will educate you about the environmental scenarios, about the different programs we are offering here. We will assure you that you can visit our facilities, our esteemed and respected faculty here. So there are a lot of things, I think, that besides getting the degree, you can contribute to the society at global level, at regional level. So with this, I think I conclude today's discussion about the importance of environment as a whole, as well as importance of different programs that we are offering here at Department of Environmental Sciences.